Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a picture black and white in Microsoft Word. Want to change an image to black and white in Word? I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. The first step is to insert the picture, and to do that, just open your Microsoft Word and then click on a new blank document. And after creating the new blank document, go to the insert section and select picture and click insert picture from this device, or you can use stock images or online pictures. Now I'm going to use for this tutorial this device, and I'm going to upload this picture right here. Now the second step is to apply the black and white effect, and to do that just click on the image and you're going to be redirected to the picture format. Here adjust the brightness and contrast for better visibility. Let's look for the brightness and the contrast. You can choose the color from here, the color tone. Now if you want the black and white, go to the color saturation and choose the first option. And once you click it, the picture will be black and white. And once you configure the picture to a black and white theme, you have to save or print the image. And to do that, just right click on the image and select save as a picture. Or you can copy it or click on save as a picture and save it. You can save as JPEG or PNG for use elsewhere. Also, use grayscale for soft black and white and adjust contrast for sharper images. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make a picture black and white in Word. Perfect for professional documents. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.